Gandhi Jayanti is an event celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is celebrated annually on 2 October and it is one of the three national holidays of India. The UN General Assembly announced on 15 June 2007 that it adopted a resolution which declared that 2 October will be celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated yearly on 2 October. It is one of the official declared national holidays of India, observed in all of its states and territories. Gandhi Jayanti is marked by prayer services and tributes all over India, including at Gandhi's Memorial Rajghat in New Delhi where he was cremated. Popular activities include prayer meetings, commemorative ceremonies in different cities by colleges, local government institutions and socio-political institutions. Painting and essay competitions are conducted, and best awards are granted for projects in schools and the community encouraging a non-violent way of life as well as celebrating Gandhi's effort in the Indian independence movement. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.